Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change air filter Cadillac XT5. Start by opening the glove box and releasing its stops so it drops down. Locate the cabin filter housing behind the glove box, unclip the cover, and slide out the old filter. Insert the new filter with airflow arrows aligned, resecure the cover, and lift the glove box back into place for a simple, clean result. In this video, I will show how to change air filter Cadillac XT5. With the glove box down, find the rectangular filter housing and press the side tabs to release the cover. Slide the old filter straight out and inspect it for leaves, dust, and debris that could impair airflow. Clean the housing gently if needed, then slide the new filter in with its arrows pointing toward the vents and snap the cover back on. In this video, I will show how to change air filter Cadillac XT5. Confirm the filter orientation by checking the airflow arrows before insertion. Gently press the housing cover until you hear the tabs click, and then raise and reattach the glove box stops or dampener. After reassembly, run the fan briefly to confirm airflow and reduce dust. This quick maintenance step keeps cabin air fresh and HVAC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.